a phone that's generating a lot of buzz. The Nubia Z60. This phone packs some serious specs and innovative features, and I'm here to tell you 5 reasons why it might be your perfect match. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the processor. The Nubia Z60 is rumored to be equipped with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, or even the 3. This powerhouse chip guarantees smooth performance for even the most demanding tasks, whether you're a gamer, a multitasking pro, or a creative whiz. The Nubia Z60 isn't just about power, it's about immersive visuals too. Leaks suggest a massive 6.7-inch to 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This translates to gorgeous colors, deep blacks, and incredibly crisp details, making everything from watching videos to browsing the web a joy. Love snapping photos and videos? The Nubia Z60 is rumored to boast a triple camera system on the back, with a main sensor ranging from a powerful 40 megapixels to a whopping 64 megapixels. This means you can capture crystal clear moments day or night. Plus, with a rumored 16 megapixels to 32 megapixels front camera, your selfies will be on point too. Running out of juice at the worst possible moment is a pain we all know. The Nubia Z60 is rumored to come packed with a hefty 5500 mAh to 6000 mAh battery. Combine that with the efficient processor, and you're looking at a phone that can easily last you a full day or even more on a single charge. While the official price isn't confirmed yet, rumors suggest the Nubia Z60 will be competitively priced, offering incredible features without breaking the bank. This makes it a fantastic option for those who want a flagship-level experience without the flagship price tag. If you're looking for a powerful phone with a stunning display, impressive cameras, and long-lasting battery life, the Nubia Z60 is definitely worth considering. For those interested in picking up the Nubia Z60, I've added a link to the product page on AliExpress in the video description below. Remember, this phone isn't officially released yet, so keep an eye out for updates and confirmation on availability. That's it for today, folks. What are your thoughts on the Nubia Z60? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay awesome.